Whether you're car camping or backpacking, it's important to properly store your sleeping bag between trips. Insulation loft creates small air spaces that trap body heat to help you stay warm. Compression stuff sacks are great for saving space while backpacking or traveling to your camping spot, but having your bag compressed for a long time will damage the insulating loft, leaving you with a bag that's not as warm. Make sure the bag is completely dry. Don't dry the bag in direct sunlight. UV light can damage the fabric. Turn the bag inside out for half of the drying time. Don't fold the bag tightly. Just place it loosely inside a large breathable cotton or mesh sack. All LL Bean bags come with a large cotton bag. Be sure to leave the zipper unzipped during storage to help with airflow. Make sure you store your sleeping bag in a cool, dry spot that's also out of direct sunlight. Now you're ready to get back out there. For more outdoor tips and inspiration, visit our Get Outside guide at llbean.com. For more how-tos and expert tips for enjoying the outdoors, check out these videos